pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay and take a chance on this channel and think about subscribing by the end of the video. I do unboxings and makeup tutorials, and I talk about beauty over 40 a real lot. Textured skin, wrinkles, all that fun stuff. So here's the card in the Trendmood box. This Trendmood box was $44. It's telling me about a specific product. Now, this is the first product I see, and it is a Sigma lip gloss, or lip oil, I think it said. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch it so you guys can see it. It kind of is sticky. I was actually expecting more from Sigma, to be perfectly honest with you. Bagia. This here is a moisturizer. I may be saying the name wrong. It's actually, the consistency is like bouncy. It's really different and it smells pretty good. So I'm excited about getting that. I love skincare. Okay, let's move on. We have got another hydration oil. I forget what brand that is. I'm kind of surprised to see e.l.f. in this box, considering e.l.f. products are drugstore and they're so affordable. But this is the Big Boss Mascara, and I love this wand. I really, really do. So I use this in the second portion of the video, and I also use the e.l.f. Acne Fighting Putty Primer. It says it's universal sheer, but it's more of like a green kind of tint, which I would think would help with redness. Okay, and this, oh my gosh, the Pharmacy. Oh, the Pharmacy Sweet Apple Clean. It's basically a balm that you use to take off all of your makeup. It's got a little scooper in there too. You just mix it with water, and at the end of the day, wipe off all that makeup. I actually used a different scent by this company about a year ago, and I absolutely loved it. It was so good. So, so good. So I'm all about Pharmacy. 100% all about it. And I think that is everything. Yep, so I'm recapping. Okay, the Bagia Moisturizer, the Strivectin Hydration Oil, the Sigma Lip Oil, the Big Mood e.l.f. Mascara, and the e.l.f. Acne Fighting Primer with salicylic acid. If you've watched my first video, my unboxing of Trendmood, you saw what I got. Now we're going to try the products. And we're going to start off opening up this multi-action Super B Barrier Strengthening Oil with probiotics and vitamin B3. And then there is a Basia Plant Stem Cell and Ceramide Barrier Defense Moisturizer. So let's go ahead and try these products before I put on the primer and my makeup. There's a very nice light scent to this oil here. A few drops. Okay, it's nothing too heavy, nothing greasy. I mean, it feels a little greasy on your fingers, but it just feels really hydrating on the skin. Okay, let's try the moisturizer. Let's see. Here it is here.
Ooh. Oh, did I just put that on my... Look at the consistency of this. It feels like, I don't know, different. Not bad. Let's see. Scent's fine. I'll put individual prices on the screen for you. That feels pretty good. Definitely very bouncy. It's a bouncy cream. Okay, so we've got the 2 moisturizers. What would I try after that? We're going to go in with the e.l.f. Acne Fighting Putty Primer. Universal Sheer, it says, with 1.8% salicylic acid. Alright, let's see if this primer can do it. I think this is like, I'm so kind of surprised to see the e.l.f. primer in the Trendmood box, but at the same time I'm not, because these are usually, they fly off the shelves, at least ever since Jeffree has said that it was similar to another primer, a more expensive one. They sell out of them. Okay, this box is not cooperating with me. There we go. Here it is. Alright, I do have the regular e.l.f. Putty Primer, so I'm curious to see how this one works. Let's see, it's green, which definitely would help with redness, but this is not a pore filling primer, for sure. It probably will prevent some acne, especially with salicylic acid in it. This is more of a hydrating primer. Now, I have combination skin right now. My skin changes with the seasons. So this would be good for the outer part. I'm going to have to use a matte primer for the T-zone area. But, yeah, this is not something that if you have large pores, it's not going to fill it in. You could see how much I used. Okay, so... not bad.
We are back to doing voiceovers, and I am pulling out the Big Mood e.l.f. mascara and trying this for the very first time. And the box is giving me a little bit of trouble. They always do. I should really take the stuff out of the boxes before I start this. There it is there. I like the packaging. It's pretty. I'm all about purple for sure. The wand I like. I like the wand a lot. Now, I put mascara on, but I also use false lashes. And lately I've been trying to see if I could get away with just using mascara. And with this one here, it takes a couple of coats, but it seems like it's pretty neat. I'm sure it's very affordable. So now I have this Sigma lip oil. To me, it could be so much better. It's definitely not going to give you that juicy kind of lips look, but like most lip oils do, but it's something I'll definitely use. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. What did you think of this Trendmood box? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I love you guys so very much. I will be seeing you real soon in another video. Bye!